Hello friends, welcome to the MongoDB series tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to show all the DBs that we have in the MongoDB. So let's check out. So first of all, I'm going to open my UI part of the RoboMongo. So I'm going to open the Robo 3D. So you can see that I connect to the database and we have so many databases, right? You can see that we have library db in basic one step. So all these things, how we are going to assess this via command line. So there is a command to show all the databases into your cmd, so that you can also, if you don't have the robo 3D, then how you are going to check this. So there is a command. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, in the previous one we have already showed that how to open the mongo shell. Okay, and there is a command that is show dbs, and this one you can see that show dbs, we have library db. You can see that in we have library db. Okay, then we have basic mon app, then we have a blog demo 2, customer database, excellent test 2. So all of the dbs we can get to know about in using the cmd openshell mongodb with the help of the command that is show dbs. This will help you to show all the databases that we are currently done in the mongodb. So this is how we can retrieve all the databases that we have in the MongoDB. So this is that one, that show DBs have show all the databases. Okay, so this is that one. So whenever you have a requirement that you want to show the databases of what we have in the Mongo, you can just write the show DBs. Okay, so this is the tutorial on how to show all the databases in the MongoDB. Next one, we will show how to use the databases. If you are if you want to use any of the databases, how you are going to use it. Okay, so be with me in the next video. Don't Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and do hit like to this video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.